Hi there, this is Rose with Remodeling Wizards of Maryland. On today's episode, we have three very special topics for you. First up is a This or That Home Remodeling Edition. Next up, we're going to ask the contractor, what kind of countertop should I choose for my home renovation project? And finally, we're going to define the term newel post. Stay tuned. This or That Home Remodeling Edition, Volume 3. This or that. For a backsplash, would you use natural stone or porcelain?
I love natural stone. I love the look. But in a kitchen backsplash, I definitely would go with porcelain. It's non-porous and easy to clean.
For paint, would you use semi-gloss or flat?
It all depends. I would definitely use semi-gloss on wood trim, but on ceilings and on walls, I would use flat.
For exterior rails on the deck, would you use vinyl or wood?
Even if I had a wood deck, I definitely would use a vinyl rail just because of the ease of maintenance.
Today's topic is which countertop should I choose for my home remodeling project? There's a lot to consider when picking on a countertop, especially when you're looking at a kitchen versus a bathroom. We have John, our contractor, here today to tell us how he would go about choosing a countertop for his home renovation project. John, what do you think?
Let's talk about quartz or granite. Granite is a natural stone, has some variation in it. You might like the variation, but it does need to be sealed. The good news, it's very heat resistant. When we're looking at quartz, quartz is a man-made product. It's stain resistant, not good with heat, but stain resistant, does not need to be sealed. What I personally done in my own home is I put granite in the kitchen because Thanksgiving Day, I like to take that hot turkey out. I don't always remember to put something down. I just sit it right on top of the granite. Never had a problem. In my bathroom, however, I do like quartz because of the stain resistance.
And today is Terminology Tuesday, the day of the week where we pick a construction term and we talk about it. Today's term is newel post. John, can you tell us what a newel post is?
Sure, a newel post. That's the wide post that's on the bottom of your steps and on the top of the steps. And if it's a deck, let's say, and you have a straight rail, it's the thicker post. The ones in between are called balusters, but the newel posts are important because they support the weight of your handrail.
Thanks, John. That's Ask the Contractor. Leave us your questions below and we'll try to work it into our next series. Great, thank you so much. We'll see you next week.